What's up friends? Welcome to my channel. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Samsung is introducing the Galaxy A06 smartphone. This is a budget friendly smartphone. The phone has PLS LCD touch screen display with a 6.7 inches screen size and with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The smartphone has a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset with a 2 GHz octa-core processor. The Samsung Galaxy A06 is coming with 4 and 6 GB RAM, allowing you to enjoy the speed and performance. Storage will be 64 and 128 GB of internal memory, enough to store bunch of data. The Samsung Galaxy A06 has a dual camera setup. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel. There will be a single 8 megapixel front facing camera, making it a reasonable choice for photographers. There will be a big 5000 mAh battery that can last up to a whole day, and charging it with a 25 watt. Smartphone will run on Android 14 operating system. The price will be $157 US. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.